As raw data volumes grow, storage fills more quickly and costs rise. Transfers slow down and research timelines are delayed. Jetraw tackles these bottlenecks as middleware between the microscope PC and your storage system. It accelerates data workflows from acquisition to analysis. On the microscope PC, simply drop your raw files, TIFF, CZI, or ND2, into a folder linked to your central storage, a local drive, or the cloud. Jetraw compresses the data automatically by a factor of 8 to 9, with full data integrity. This will free up acquisition systems, speed up data uploads and access, reduce storage use, and delay costly upgrades. The one-time setup is quick and easy. Jetraw supports most Hamamatsu ORCA models. It takes just 3 steps. Select the folder where the data is saved, choose the camera model, and the acquisition mode. From now on, data will be compressed during upload and saved to the selected folder in your storage. Watch this! The dataset got compressed by a factor of 7.4 from 4.5 GB down to just 600 MB. Now, when ready to analyze data, at your workstation, simply download it through Jetraw. It automatically decompresses in its original format, ready for stitching, segmentation, and other analysis. Need to check a dataset quickly? Jetraw's mounted drive lets you open files directly in ImageJ, Imaris, or Napari without a full download. Only the frames you view are streamed and decompressed, saving time and local storage. Ultimately, Jetraw speeds up data transfer and access and cuts storage costs, helping microscopy facilities and research labs work faster and more efficiently.